Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, this video is going to be very important. I'm going to discuss why did I leave TCS job or why did I leave TCS. You might have heard from many of the employees or many people that TCS treats their employee like a family member. TCS is one of the top MNC. TCS job is very good. TCS, if you're working in TCS, it's like a government job, a stable job, all those things you must have heard from your senior, your colleague, from your friend, from TCS employee. But you also know people leave TCS, and I also left TCS only after 2 years. So, what was the reason that we will discuss? So, the reason was salary, the reason was project, the reason was growth, or the reason was politics. So, what was the reason we are going to discuss in this video? But before that, I wanted to tell you, so if anyone is finding difficulty in getting a job, then now you have an opportunity to work from home, part-time, full-time job, and you can earn a salary up to 40K right now from the link which is given in the description below. Okay, so you can check the description. So there are jobs for all, eighth pass to the graduates, to the freshers, everyone. Please click the link description below, create your profile and directly apply for the job. I will take you through the complete process. But let us understand. So what was the reason I left TCS? Okay. So friends, salary. So salary is one of the major concern when you are working in the companies like TCS, Infosys, or any kind of service-based company. Okay. So your starting salary will be around 3.5. Okay. See, I'm just taking on average. If we'll talk about the TCS, then it is 3.36 LPA. Okay. And I have also made a video on how much you will be getting in your hand if you work in TCS. Okay. So somewhat you can say like around 22, 23. So that you will be getting in hand. Now, so if you are staying in places like Bangalore, okay, if you are staying in places like Pune, if you're staying in places like Hyderabad, then what you will be able to do in 20,000 or 22,000 or 23,000, you can only think of. Okay, see, because you also know, so everything has become very costly. So even room rent and all those things will come around 7 to 8K. Okay, and then your food and food traveling. So if you'll cover all those things, then hardly you will be able to save any amount. See, this is the truth. This is the truth what I'm talking about here. So salary will be definitely a major concern. And even after 2 years, I have made a video. So what will be the salary after 2 years? So it will be around 4.4. I mean 4 to 4.4 LPA. If your performance is good, you will be touching this. Otherwise, your salary will be around 4 LPA. So then also you'll be getting hardly 30K in your hand. So see, even though the TCS or any company treats you like a family member, but you have to say Tata, bye bye to the company if you are not, or your family member if you are not satisfied with the earning. Okay, so this is definitely nowadays. So with the increasing prices of goods, right, we will not be able to survive with this particular salary. Okay, now, so then, and that was one reason I left TCS. So this is not all the reason. This is one of the reason. See, because whatever we are doing, see, if TCS is working, they are working for what? Money, right? So if you are working, you are working for what? Money. If I am working, I am working for money. If I am making a video, then see, I am helping you, but along with that, I also need money, right? Because I need to take care of myself, my family member. So everyone is working for money. So when we are working and when we are working hard, then definitely money we need. Okay, we need a very good salary. Okay, then the second thing is project. Okay, then the second thing is project. So what about this project? So I will tell you. So friends, project here means if you are getting allocated to a project which is not very good, customer support, technical support kind of, right? And you know, all this service based company, they will assign the project randomly. Okay, so even though you are very good in coding, but you might get testing job, you might get customer support job, you might get technical support job, so basically support job. And if you are into support job, testing job, then you cannot have a very good future, right? Because I mean, see, future in the sense, so technical support job anyone can do, customer support job anyone can do. If somebody is having better communication than you, then definitely he or she will be able to do this kind of job, right? So even though you have 5 years experience or 10 years experience, you will not be getting a very good amount, because the job which you are doing, also a fresher will be able to do the same thing, right? See, if I have 10 years of experience, okay, in what? Talking to customers, solving their problem. And if a fresher has good communication skill, so he also can easily chat, he also can easily understand the support job, and he will be able to do. Then why you should get so much of money? The same work the fresher will be able to do in 22,000 or 23,000. So understand this. So support job will not have a very good future, okay? Or testing job, even the testing job will not have a very good future. So the future is in development, the future is in automation, okay? So I was in testing project, okay, and that too manual testing. So manual testing means, I will just give you an example. So this is my mobile. So I will, I have to open suppose some app is there, and then you have to see if it is working properly or not, camera. So that camera involves suppose I mean, the app involves camera, the app involves scanning feature. So these kind of things are there. So you're just testing the app, which anyone can do it. Even if you teach to your friend, he or she will be able to do it. So that does not have any future. So that was the second reason I definitely wanted to move. Okay, so that was the project, and switching between the projects is not very easy, because see, once you are assigned into a project and you have a client. See, the client means, so suppose you are working in TCS, okay, but TCS has project of Microsoft. Now Microsoft became your client. So if you are in that particular project, then it's not very easy, okay, to move to. I mean, they will not release you easily, because you have worked for some time and you know the in and out of that. So it is not easily they will put you into the another project. Okay, so but yeah, so then what you have to do? So that kind of project you are put in, and you do not have a great future. So you need to learn something, and then only you will be able to come out from that company. Okay, so I learned networking. Okay, I learned networking, and that helped me to get a job, and then I left TCS. So I will tell you, after 2 years and 2 months, I left TCS. Okay, see, I was becoming very much comfortable. Basically, what will happen? The testing job or the manual testing job or the support job will not be very hectic. So you will be getting into the comfort zone, and you will not try to come out from that. That is a mistake most of the student does. And in the beginning of their career, 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they will be in the same company, and that's where they will I mean, what to say? I mean, they will not be able to grow in their life. Okay, so that a deadline. So 1 to 2 years of deadline should be there. So in within 1 to 2 years, you should leave any company which you join. And if you are not allocated to a better project, if you're not allocated to a good project, then you should immediately start learning something. Okay, start learning something of your interest, and then you should move to that company, so that your salary will also increase when you move. See, when I was in the Tata company, I was getting a package of suppose X. Okay, so when I moved after 2 years, I got a package of, okay, so 2.25x. Okay, so suppose here if it was 1 lakh, suppose here 5 lakhs, then here I got 10 point something. Okay, so 10 point something, so it will be directly a 100% hike or 110% hike, like that hike will be there on our level. Okay, then the third point is growth, and the fourth point is politics. So these are also very important point. But the salary and project is really one of the major things where you have to take a decision. Okay, and you have to quit the company. So this point number third and the point number fourth, so we have to discuss, and these are also very important, but not as important as salary and project. So please watch the video till the end. And now I again wanted to repeat, and I wanted to show you, so how to get the jobs in Wipro, how to get the jobs in Tech Mahindra. And friends, the most important thing here is you will be able to Fix your interview in 5 minutes, and within 3 days, you will be able to get a job. So now you can easily find a high paying work from home, part time, and full time job near your home. So the application is Apna app. I will take you through the application and I will tell you how to create your profile, how to schedule the interview with the HR within 5 minutes, and how easily you will be able to get a job in the companies like Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Airtel, and there are so many companies are there, Reliance Jio. So let us have a walkthrough of Apna app. So friends, the process is very, very simple. You will be able to search Apna app on Google Play Store, and from there you will be able to install the application. And once you install the application, then you can provide your contact number and other details, and then you will be able to see all the listed job near you on Apna application, right? So your installation is basically going to complete now, and after that we will open the app. Now you can click on open, and yes, it will redirect to a particular screen, and use another method. So you can put the contact number. Okay, so my official contact number is 8088452760, right? Okay, and then you will be receiving a OTP. So OTP is for the confirmation that you have entered your number. Okay, so it is auto enter. Okay, so you have received the OTP for the Apna app, right? Now after that you can select the language. So Hindi, English, Kannada, Bengali, Telugu, Tamil. So these are the language available. So let me select English. Okay, and let's start with creating your visiting card. So this is something like, so your photo, your name, and all these details will be available here. Okay, so let's go. So my name is Pratik Kumar, male, and job city. So you can select the job city. Okay, so let me select Bangalore. Okay, and in the Bangalore I will select a place. Okay, now, so because you are going to get a job near to your location, near to your place, and then click on next. Okay, so do you have any work experience? So if you have work experience, then please enter. So as I said, so from 8th till the fresher, so 8th pass, 9th pass, okay, 10th, 12th, graduation, everybody will be able to apply. So do you have any work experience? So I am selecting no. And then education details, so you can select 10th or below 10th, 12th, diploma, ITI, graduate. So I am selecting graduate. Okay, and then degree and specialization you have to select. So computer science I'm selecting. Okay, so you can select from here BSc in computer science or bachelor in computer science, right? So all this details will be available here. So BTech in computer science, university name, so you can give your university name. Okay, and click on next. Okay, so what search job types? So all the job types will be listed. So it is software developer, okay, IT support, business development, telecaller. So there are a lot of options available here: account, finance, back office, marketing, human resource, engineer, digital marketing, retail, teacher, technician, admin, office assistant. So you can select what job you are looking for. Okay, see, there are options are there. Even you can select like IT support, web developer, both you can select, or one you can select all, you can select telecaller, BPO. So according to your need, you will be able to select the job, the profile from there. And then if you want to upload your photo, you can upload, otherwise you can skip for now. And you can find 80% more jobs by getting help from your contact. So for right now, I'm not adding contact, I'm just going on see the jobs, and all the listed job will be available here. If you scroll down, so there are so many jobs are available here, right? So you can just go through that, you can click on anyone and you can go for the job details, right? So software web developer, so this many view all 55 plus jobs. So as I mentioned earlier, that you will be able to schedule your interview with HRs within 5 minutes, and within 3 days you will be able to get a job. So I will take you through some very good job like Wipro, Tech Mahindra jobs. So let us see the job details and how you are going to schedule the interview with the HR. So let us scroll through few jobs. So friends, we have a opening from Wipro. So international BPO executive Wipro, and the place is Pune, and you will be getting a salary of 15,000 to 20,000 per month, and this is a work from home job. So English fluency is compulsory, and freshers can apply. So there is no percentage criteria, and apply for the job. So you will be able to apply from the jobs from here, and see here how to talk to HR. So you will be also able to talk to HR as I mentioned. So within 5 minutes, you will be able to schedule your call to HR. Now the second opening is definitely from Tech Mahindra. So let us see the job opening. We have the second opening, customer care executive, Tech Mahindra Limited, okay, Noida City Center, and you will be getting per month 18 to 21,000, and this is also work from home, okay, and the responsibility is given, okay, and then 12 pass, good English, and the location is Noida City Center, and see again how to talk to HR, and you will be able to apply for the job. And the third opening is coming from Tata. So the third opening is from Life Insurance Advisor, Tata AIA, and the location is Faridabad, and your salary will be 10,000 to 50,000 per month. This is also work from home job. Job requirement, you should have only smartphone and PAN card, and freshers can apply 12 pass, and thoda English you should know. And here you can see, so apply for job. So friends, there are a lot of openings are there, a lot of job openings are there. So definitely you should not miss any kind of opportunity. So friends, there are different categories of jobs are available, like sales, telecalling, work from phone, data entry, back office, typing work, work from home, and many other jobs, even for married also. Okay, so you can select the job according to your requirement and expertise. Okay, and the last thing which I wanted to tell you, friends, because of this fastest interview and the job process, there are 2.2 crores Apna users are there. So you can select the job roles and call or WhatsApp HR today itself. So even you can WhatsApp, okay, to the HR itself, and get a job just in 3 days. So friend, this is definitely a life-changing opportunity at Apna, and everybody will be able to get a job. Now let us move to our points, growth and politics, and any comments, I will definitely reply, and I will help you to get a job in the reputed companies which you like on Apna app. Now friends, so let us move to the growth and politics. Okay, so this third point is growth and the fourth point is politics. So I will tell you about the politics first. So friends, you should never involve in any kind of politics in the company. Okay, see, many times what we do is, so we discuss few things with our manager, I mean about your manager. So with your friends you discuss few things about your manager, and somehow this person is close to your close to the lead or the manager, and these things goes to the manager and it gives a bad impact about you. Okay, so even though you will not come to know that you are in politics, you will just discuss the things with your friends, with your colleagues, and this reaches to the higher authority, and after that they will start screwing you, because in service based company everything will be in the lead, okay, project lead and the manager hand. Okay, so please do not involve in all those things, do not talk anything about your manager, about your lead, and I will tell you, so even unknowingly I had done the same thing. Okay, and then the manager came to know, and I was moved to the other project, which was not a good project, which I discussed is a manual project. Okay, so before that I was into a good project, but later on I moved to a project where only manual testing was there. So please do not involve in any kind of conversation, in any politics. Listen everything, but do not speak out from your mouth. Okay, and friends, growth. So growth will depend only when you work hard. Okay, so only when you work hard. Now, so you cannot blame your project that, sir, because I did not get the proper project, I am not able to learn. Okay, I did not get the proper project, I am not able to learn. No, even though you did not get proper project, but as a fresher, okay, so when you have experience of 1 to 2 years, you will be very very demanding. Okay, you will see, when your experience is about 10 years, then the company will expect a lot of things from you. Okay, so they will treat you like you should be a scientist of NASA. They will tell you, you should know Java, you should know C++, you should know Python, you should know Perl, you should know Go language. So if when your experience will become 10 years, okay, then the expectation from the company will become huge. But when you are 1 to 2 year of graduation, I mean your experience, then company will still treat you as a fresher with the basic knowledge of what you have done in 1 to 2 years. So for your growth, you need to work hard, you need to learn things where your interests are, and then you can move to the desired company. And I did the same thing. So when I was working with the manual testing, I started learning uh, networking. And then after that, after 2.2 years, I moved to the different company with 100 and some 125% high. Okay, so this calculation might not be very proper. Anyway, I have given you the data. Okay, and anyway, see, once you move from one company to another company, then definitely you will be getting more and more hike. So friends, before I end this video, so you must have gone through and you must have understood what actually is apna job now. So I wanted to reiterate that you can get a work from home part-time full-time job up to 40K right now, and the link is given in description below. And this is for all 8th pass, to the fresher, to the graduate, everyone. And once again, so do not wait now, click on the link given, create your profile as I showed you, and directly apply for the job. So thank you and all the best. I wanted everyone to get a job and understand so why anybody leaves any kind of job. So thank you and all the best.